Hi again, welcome to Concordia TESOL classes, Module 2. Do you remember the Module 1 in the first place? But okay, so we actually covered a little bit of how a student has to be, how a teacher has to be. You know, like the qualities where you pay attention. Now we are going into classroom slowly. So today we're going to talk about some methods of teaching proper English. Maybe you can remember last time we said you have to use what you learned. And I even talked about a proverb. If you don't use it, you lose it. So today we're going to talk about a little bit how can we break the ice. Not for whiskey. Ice breaking means in ESL language or teaching English language, like making connection with people, you know, getting rid of the first they are all stranger, I don't know what to do in a new class, which some of your students might feel that way. Okay, so icebreaker in this context is an exercise intended to help a group of students begin the process of forming themselves into a team. By the way, we almost needed the same thing in the workplaces when you start a new work. You know, as a teacher with your colleagues, you need that sometimes too. But let's go back to classroom. So, individual stage in a class is like awkward, strange. You look right, you look left, there are some new faces in your life. You don't know, are they smarter than me? Am I the only stupid? Do they speak better? Lots of questions. And then, as a teacher, you have to help them getting to know each other so that this strange awkwardness disappears. And then is the ice broken. So then it's going to be a team. They're going to be friendly to each other because they're going to be familiar with each other. Okay, so how can we do that? So there are lots of exercises, lots of methodology to create an ice-breaking environment. One of them is find someone who. The second one is a question bag, like lottery. The third one is finding similarities. And then there is name game. There are actually many different games and things. Look, let's see how does work actually in general. So most students studying, I read it and I also put my own sauce in it, as I told you. Most students studying a second language say that memorizing grammar is the most important step for learning language. Others believe that a language will be learned by speaking and listening. The latter, this one, is called the communicative approach. You know what? I would say both.